Good morning, guys! Welcome back to another session of our pajama workout. And of course, as usual, this will need no equipment, no jumping, and very household or apartment friendly. So kung meron ka mga downstairs neighbors, hindi sila magigising because this will be very quiet, even yung mga kasama mo sa bahay. And yet, you will sweat. Yes, get ready to sweat. This is only 10 minutes, as usual pa rin. And for today, ang inihanda ko sa inyo is Pilates. Pilates is very important to strengthen our muscles, our muscles, especially dito sa core area natin, to endure yung mga workouts na ginagawa natin every day. And Pilates is very good to incorporate in your workouts para to improve your flexibility at yun nga, ma-endure natin yung mga workouts na ginagawa natin everyday. Usually, I do Pilates once a week kasi I'm still improving on my flexibility. So, before we go, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for this video and hit the notification bell down below. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get to work, Besh! So what I have for you today is 14 workouts, 30 seconds each with 15 seconds rest in between. And we will start with extend leg pulls. So crunch your abs and then lift your leg, and we'll do this for 30 seconds. Pulse your hands. Don't forget to breathe, and again, feel your abs working as well. Last 9 seconds. You can do this. There you go. Our next is one leg stretch. So lie down, crunch a little, and then stretch one of your legs. Alternate. Pulse for 2. Okay? Let's do that. Pulse. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you can do this sa knees mo or sa ilalim ng iyong knees. Whatever works for you, for as long as you pulse this, stretch this, so you can have your glute stretch. There you go. Our next is leg lower. So this is a little bit tough, but lie down. Put your feet up. Make sure na nakaganon siya. And as straight as you can, and then put it down as low as you can. So do this repeatedly for 30 seconds. Whew. Do it as low as you can. You can feel it on your abs. I can feel it. Make sure yung feet mo nakaganon. Naka-V. I don't know if you can see it. Next is alternate leg lift. So you'll do a plank, right? Oh, let's do on the other side so I can see. Do a plank. 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Make sure yung booty mo is not too low, but not too high. So, when you're doing the plank, i-feel mo yung abs mo if it's controlling your glutes. Yung weight ng glutes mo. 2, 1, 2. Okay, our next is alternate toe taps. So same position, and then you'll do a tap. 1, 2, tap, alternate taps of your feet. Let's do that for 30 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap, 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 tap. Make sure your hands is directly under your shoulder. tap, 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 tap. Okay, next is C-sit. So I'll do it on the side first. So, sides, para lang makita mo. Sit, and then crunch. Like that. Crunch, up, crunch, up, crunch, up, crunch, up, crunch, up, crunch, up, crunch, up. Last 9 seconds. Feel it on your abs and your lower belly. Crunch. There you go. Next is C-twist. So same position. Straight back. Crunch. Up. Your next crunch. Reach at the back. Other side. Every time you crunch. Let's do. Continue. 30 seconds. Straight back. Crunch. Straight back. Crunch. Straight back. Crunch. Straight back. Crunch. Straight back, crunch, straight back, crunch. Reach as far as you can with your hands. Ooh, there you go. Our next is glute fix. So just follow me on this one kasi gagawin natin. Meron itong iba-ibang position. We will do this in 10 seconds per position. So una, sides. I call this is two-way kick. 1, 2, 1, 2 for 10 seconds. I'll tell you pag mag-iiba na, okay? Next is you circle your feet, your legs to the front, and then we'll do back. Okay? Reverse. Okay, we'll do a rest for 15 seconds and then gagawin natin yung next set. Susunod is double tap. Followed by a big circle to the front and then we will reverse. Let's do that in 1. Tap 1, 2, 3, up it, 4. You can feel it here. I'll tell you when to switch. Oops. Okay, now we'll do the circle to the front first. Big circle. Mafe-feel mo siya dito sa iyong glutes, sa side glutes. Next, reverse. Whew. After this, we'll do the other side naman. There you go. Now we'll go to the other side. Left leg naman. So same thing. Same thing, right? We'll do first the two-way kick. 1 to the front, 1 to the back. So just follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll tell you to switch. Okay, we'll do the front circle. Ooh. Front. Now reverse. Now rest 15 seconds and then we'll do the double tap. When you do the double tap, lift your leg as high as you can. Then we'll do the circles after that. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, we'll do the tap. 1, whoo, tap, 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 double tap, 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 tap. Then we'll do the circle. Front first, going to the front. Big one. Make a big circle as big as you can. Whew. Then reverse. Whew. There you go. Our next is swimmer. So do a Superman and then you'll just like swim. We'll do that for 30 seconds and 3, 2, 1, go. You can feel the stretch on your back here. here. Dalawa na lang and then you're done, guys. So, don't give up. Don't give up. There you go. Next is a plank hold. So, elbow plank. Do this for 30 seconds. Not too much down, not too much up. Just hold it with your abs. There you go, let's do that. 30 seconds. Whew. Dati, I can't even do 15 seconds of this one. Ngayon, I'm proud na nagagawa ko siya ng more than 1 minute. So, it takes practice and, you know, getting used to it. So, pag parang mo siyang ginagawa, you will get, may endure mo siya. Then, this will really strengthen your core. Abs to, malakas maka-abs mga guys, mga girls. There you go. Next is, we'll do the hip drop. This is our last one. So same position, but drop. This will work out on your obliques. Same thing, we'll do that for 30 seconds. Dip, 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 last 15 seconds. Dip, 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 dip. Last 5 seconds. Dip, 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 dip. There you go. So we'll just do what do you call this? Cool down time, guys. Child pose. Woo. So dito. Yeah, we'll have another 15 seconds. So, this is called glute stretch. Put it down here. And push it towards you. So, na-stretch yung glutes mo.
Activity complete.
There you go. We'll just do the other side. Whew. So, stretch yung glutes mo dito. And that's it. Let's just do a big inhale up and exhale it down. There you go, my friend. Ang sakit sa ganito, pero ang sarap, diba? So, I hope you get a good rest of your day, guys. Enjoy your day. Today is Friday here, so I hope you have a great weekend. And don't forget, to stay active and stay safe. Even if you're just working at home, stay safe and stay active and do everything you want to do with a purpose. Thank you so much again for joining me today, and I hope to see you guys next time. Have a good day. God bless you all. Bye-bye.